Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel English Learning. In this video we learn about the words we can use instead of very. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Awful instead of very bad. Hot instead of very warm. Ancient instead of very old. Kind instead of very nice. Intelligent instead of very smart. Excellent instead of very good. Sorrowful instead of very sad. Idiotic instead of very stupid. Starving instead of very hungry. Huge instead of very large. Freezing instead of very cold. Forceful instead of very strong. Ecstatic instead of very happy. Cautious instead of very careful. Frail instead of very weak. Luminous instead of very bright. Battered instead of very hurt. Obvious instead of very clear. Cruel instead of very mean. Vibrant instead of very colorful. Exceptional instead of very special. Frequently instead of very often. Downy instead of very soft. Apologetic instead of very sorry.